In this video, I'm going to show you how to create video shorts with NotebookLM. Okay, so right now you can create short videos, okay, the long form video, which is 9 by 16 using NotebookLM. Prior to this, you can only create horizontal videos, which is 16 by 9. There's a new feature that NotebookLM had just introduced, enable you to create short videos for YouTube and other platforms using the 9 by 16 format. So let's start by learning how to access NotebookLM. As usual, it is a platform by Google. You can access it by coming to notebooklm.google.com, and you can go ahead and log into your Google account, of course. Once you're logged in, you can create a new notebook by coming to create a new notebook here, or you can come over here to the top right and click on create a new notebook. This gives you the opportunity to add different sources. You can search online if you don't have any source, or you can do fast research if you're interested, and then you can search the web directly, or you can search your drive for sources if you have. You can also drag and drop sources from file uploads. You can add in links, okay, multiple website links that contain resources that you are interested in. You can add and drop them in here, and then you can add content again from your drive directly by clicking on this. You just link up to the account that you have, and you can add sources directly also in here to continue with your research. And if you have copy text, you can copy them directly and paste in here, and it will serve as a source directly. So for this, I just want to use one of my existing notebook. Let's say this one on hydropower. I've lined up a series of different sources that I have, including a LinkedIn page, and other pages like you can see in here, and some PDF documents. Now, if you want, you can add more sources also by clicking on this, and you'll be able to add more sources using the methods that we have just explained. You have the opportunity to add up to 50 different sources in the paid or in the free plan. So my target, like we've explained, is to create a video short. So you can come to the studio panel in here, and you have the video overview. So you can see it, you can just click on it, and now you can see the explainer video, which used to be in 16 by 9, which is the horizontal version. Now you have the short version, which is a very new feature, a bite-sized overview to help you quickly grab core ideas from your sources. So you can use this, you can just enable that I want to create a short. So you can mark it and you can use it to create a short. Now you can specify the number of sources, and the best part is you can select and unselect any of the sources that you have. You are very specific about your topic, you can deselect or select other sources from the list of sources that you have. For this case, let's say I'm going to use all of my sources. Let's say I'm going to use all of my sources, the 7 sources that we just added in here. So I'm just going to confirm this. Now, what should the video focus on? Untapped power, dams explained, small solutions. So you can see these are suggested topics based on the sources that you have in here. If you want to use any of them, you can just go ahead, select any of them and use. If you don't want, you can use the customize topic or the custom topic, which you can always edit. Let's say you want to create about a custom topic. Let's say I have this, my idea. Create a short video overview focusing on the small-scale hydropower plant revolution in Nigeria as a vital solution for the 85 million people lacking electricity access. Highlight that Nigeria possesses an estimated 3.5 megawatt of SHP potential across the 277 identified sites. Okay, so these are the details of what I wanted to create. Here conclude with the rivers to power vision, detailing how the Electricity Act 2023 empowers states and private investors to generate up to 10 megawatts through 3,000 local SHP locations. So let's just go ahead and say generate this, and let's see what kind of video it is going to generate for us.
85 million Nigerians are living without reliable electricity.
And as you can see, the video had just been created. So let's click to have a preview.
85 million Nigerians are living without reliable electricity. But the solution isn't building another multi-billion-dollar megadam. Instead, the answer is flowing through local backyards. Here are 4 pillars driving Nigeria's hydropower revolution. First up, the hidden geography. Nigeria sits on an unharnessed goldmine of small hydropower potential. Researchers have identified 277 untapped river sites capable of generating 3,500 megawatts of energy.
I think this is fantastic. So if you like, you can just download it from here, and you're going to have an MP4 version of the video, or you can share directly. You can click on share, and you can give control to people. You can add their email address, and you can already control from here. Anyone with the link can serve as and you can copy the link of to the video and share with them as well. You can add email address of people to be shared directly. So for me, I'm just going to download it, which you are going to have as an MP4 file independently that you can just play. So you can just go ahead, explore, and see how you can use Notebook LM to create now your short
85
video
million
in
Nigerians
in 9
are
by
living without
16.
reliable electricity, but the solution isn't building another multi-billion-dollar megadam. Instead, the answer is flowing through local backyards. Here are 4 pillars driving Nigeria's hydropower revolution. First up, the hidden
I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward. So this concludes this simple tutorial about how to use Notebook LM to create short videos in 9 by 16 size. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.